See, it tells you there on the front how many ounces it's going to brew and the flavor. And then the barcode that it's going to read. You put it in the top of the machine and then press it down and press brew, and it starts brewing. And I'm brewing it into a double-walled glass coffee container so that you can kind of see how it separates out and gives you that nice crema. And again, this one is considered a coffee size, so it's 7.7 ounces. So you can see you also need to be able to leave some room for the foam, so to speak, on it, or the crema. Because this glass will normally, you could just put like 10 ounces of coffee in it. So you can see it's pretty close to the top, but that's, again, mostly the crema. So, got to leave yourself a little bit of room, especially if you're going to put in frothed milk or anything.